Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a block turn. Now there's no real prerequisites for this one, so as long as you're a competent intermediate or at least a very experienced beginner, you're going to be ready for one of these. Jumping straight in, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's break it down. It starts off man's left, lady's right. We go semicircle push, send the lady back. Guys move a little bit to the left. So it looks like we're going to walk the lady past us. So what we do is we start to walk the lady past us. We switch into the right hand, bringing it up. So we're going flat palm to palm. Guys are actually going to take a step forwards and into this. So as the ladies come in, we're going to block. We're going to get a nice strong connection. In fact, if you can connect all the way to the elbow, even better. And then we're going to send the lady back the way she came whilst adding a turn and face, return and back. So let's do that again from the other side and we will talk numbers. So we go back, guys getting a little bit out of the way. 1, coming into the block 2, then we send the lady into the turn 3 and face 4, return 5 and back 6. So let's try it together. Man's left, lady's right, and here we go. 5, 6, a block, turn. We go a back, block, turn, face, return and back. And that's the whole thing. Hope you find that one to be fun and useful out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you like, it promotes the move, so thank you. If you subscribe, it promotes the channel, so big thank you to everyone who does that. And if you hit the notification bell, as long as you've got notifications turned on in your settings, you get told every time a new video comes out, so you'll never miss anything. Use a recommendation on the end in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.